Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm drawing something few people requested by comments. But first let's step down this page to get a clean outline in the end. So the first request is from Lance Adrian Chua. I hope I pronounced it correctly. So he said Boots kissing Nick from Zootopia and Puss and Boots as humans with semi-realistic. So he means to say Puss and Nick kissing each other. Honestly, I don't mind drawing it, but while I was trying to draw it, they could not be recognized as Puss and Nick. Both their heads were in a position that it looked like some random guys kissing. So I had to make some changes and make them look forward as if they are posing for a picture. By this way, now I can draw the features that make them human versions of Puss and Nick. So Lance, I hope you don't mind the changes I made to the drawing that you requested. While drawing Puss, my mind had an image of Antonio Banderas, as he is the voice artist of Puss. And looking at the voice of Puss in this movie, he is kind of a middle-aged cat, even though his voice was same when he was a kitten. But I picture him as a man who would be in his mid-30s. As for Nick, he is a sly fox with clever mind and sleepy eyes. For his human version, I imagine him to be a guy who is in his late 20s, who earns money by fooling people. And people actually believes him as he is really good at talking and manipulating the minds of them. I made both of them as best friends, but you know the character of Puss. He's more into loyalty and honesty, so he would never let Nick to earn money by fooling others. But Nick is so good at explaining that he made Puss believe that this is all legal in business. And with that, the outline is now complete. I made Puss wear this cloth that is on his back to cover his top part, as he is naked in the movie. So let's move on to the coloring part.
We've been talking for an hour, we just can't find the end. We won't understand each other. I wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again.
So while coloring both of them, I've noticed some similarities. Like both of them have orange hair and both their eyes were blue color. Also, I was going to color mustache and eyebrows of Puss, and then I noticed it's white. So I left it that way.
We keep holding on for nothing. We both know we pretend we should go, but we keep trying to find a reason why we can't move on. I think we're scared to be alone. We had our times, but now I know that they are gone. Wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you.
So here it is, Puss and Nick as human version. Even though it's not like what you have expected, but still, I hope that you like it. Now let's move on to the next request. So the next request is, can you do Naruto by Pigeon's Daddy? Yes, I can do Naruto. So let's draw Naruto. I have drawn Naruto many times since I was a kid, but still I have not watched complete episodes. I've only watched few of the episodes, but someday I'll watch it all the way from start to the end. During childhood, in my school days, few students including me were interested in drawing, and we had drawing books filled with drawings of Naruto, Dragon Ball Z, Pokemon and other stuffs. But instead of supporting each other, we were kind of competitive and show off our latest drawings, which is kind of a support too, as if we would be encouraged to draw more better than them. So this made us improve even more.
I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again.
So I'm done with the outline. Now let's move on to the coloring part.
We've been talking for an hour, we just can't find the end. We won't understand each other. I wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again. Been told myself, the more we keep trying. Been told myself, and find myself again. We keep holding on for nothing. We both know we pretend we should go, but we keep trying to find a reason why we can't move on. I think we're scared to be alone. We had our times, but now I know that they are gone. Wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself.
So here it is, the drawing of Naruto. I hope you like it. This is the both drawings that was a fan request, and I hope you guys like it. And there was one more request from Rice Cake Production, but his request was original character, and I thought I'll draw original characters in another video. Hey, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on that post notification bell to know when I'm uploading my new video. And also check out my other videos too, you may also like it. Until then, I'll see you next time.